Are you looking for the best smoke detectors? In this video we will look at some of the best smoke detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description for each product
so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. First Alert Dual Sensor Smoke and Fire Alarm. If you're looking for a smoke detector that can be installed anywhere in your home, the First Alert South Australia 3210 is our top pick. This smoke detector combines photoelectric and ionization sensors, which means it can detect both flaming and smoldering fires. It also meets all UL 217 safety standards, so you know it's been thoroughly vetted for effectiveness. The smoke detector is battery operated with a long 10-year lifespan. This means you shouldn't have to change the batteries until it's time to replace the device. However, you should regularly test all smoke detectors. There is a test button on the front of this one, to make sure they're functioning properly. At the end of its life, a timer will go off, indicating that it's time for a new model. Unlike hardwired options, you don't have to worry about any complex wiring, and can easily install it yourself. Mounting brackets are included. In the event of a fire, this smoke detector will sound off the alarm with a loud, 85 decibel beep. You can silence it immediately if it's a false alarm by hitting the test/silence button. There are no voice alarms included. While a carbon monoxide detector would have given this smoke detector complete coverage, it's still a very good option for homeowners. Product details: power source, battery powered, sensor type, photoelectric and ionization, notification type, beep. At number 2. First Alert Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. This device from First Alert made it onto our list because it features electrochemical carbon monoxide sensing technology and an ionization smoke detector rolled into one. It is hardwired, so it connects straight to your power supply, but includes a 9-volt battery backup in case you lose power. It's also been rigorously tested to meet UL standards. When there's smoke or a carbon monoxide leak somewhere in your home, you'll hear its 85 decibel horn, plus see indicator lights flashing on the front. Because you can connect it to other smoke detectors, from the First Alert brand only, you can easily get coverage throughout the house, and it will indicate exactly which detector set off the alarm. If the battery is low or missing, the detector will chirp until the issue is resolved. Keep in mind that the battery compartment has a tight fit, so you might have some issues removing or placing new batteries inside. You can buy one detector or purchase the model in packs of 3, 6, or 12. Product details: power source, hardwired, sensor type, carbon monoxide and ionization smoke sensor, notification type, beep. At number 3. Google Nest Protect Smoke and CO Alarm. When it comes to safeguarding your home against smoke and carbon monoxide, the Google Nest Protect is worth checking out. It features a split-spectrum sensor, which can detect both smoldering and flaming fires. You never have to worry if your battery has enough power, as the Google Nest runs self-diagnostic checks around 400 times a day, plus conducts a monthly sound check to ensure it's in tip-top condition. If you like steamy showers, it even has a steam check, which means your alarm won't go off if you're having a long, hot shower. Another big selling point of Google Nest Protect is that you're able to get remote notifications through your phone anytime the alarm goes off. You can also conveniently silence false alarms with your phone. It has a motion sensor that will trigger the lights to switch on whenever you walk by. These lights will turn yellow if there's a problem, and red if the alarm is currently sounding. If you like steamy showers, the alarm even has a steam check which won't set off your alarm if you're having a long, hot shower. It is expensive, so it may not be the best choice if you're on a tight budget and need to buy multiple smoke detectors for your home. The Google Nest is available in hardwired and battery options, and all devices have a 10-year lifespan. Product details: power source, battery, wired, sensor type, split spectrum, notification type, beep, voice alert, phone alert. At number 4. First Alert ZCombo Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. This First Alert smoke detector features Z-Wave technology, the wireless technology found in many smart hub setups, which makes it possible to integrate the device with your home's Ring security system. It also has a clever feature that allows you to scan a QR code on the box to add the device to the system. It works in tandem with Ring so that when your alarm goes off, Ring's monitoring center is automatically alerted. They will then request emergency services be sent to your house. The smoke detector also works with other smart home systems like Samsung SmartThings and Nexia. However, it is not compatible with Wink or First Alert's one-link hub. While this detector sends mobile alerts to your phone, you'll have to buy a Z-Wave Plus Gateway hub separately for it to work. The device is simple to install, and only takes 2 AA batteries to get it going. In terms of features, its photoelectric smoke sensor makes it one of the best smoke detectors to have in cases of fast-burning fire. At the same time, it's not overly sensitive, so it won't go off just because you've burned toast or steamed up the shower. It also detects carbon monoxide. Product details: power source, battery-powered, sensor type, photoelectric and notification type, phone alert, beep. At number 5. First Alert Hardwired Ionization Smoke Alarm. If you're looking for a high-quality hardwired smoke detector, consider First Alert's 9120B smoke detector. Although the smoke detector is hardwired by design, it has a backup battery that can be used during power outages. Once placed in its position, this smoke detector will alert you with an 85 decibel sound if any smoke from rapidly accelerating fires is nearby. Furthermore, this smoke alarm can be set to work in conjunction with up to 12 other First Alert smoke detectors for optimal coverage. When it comes to testing, it's easy to do so with the press of a button, and the detector can be locked to prevent any unwanted tampering. Just note that mounting screws are not included. You can buy this smoke detector individually or in packs of 3, 6, and 12 to meet your needs or coverage area. Product details: power source, hardwired with backup battery, sensor type, ionization, notification type, beep. At number 6. Kidde Kitchen Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Most experts say that the best choice for your kitchen is a photoelectric model. Photoelectric smoke detectors are slightly quicker at sensing smoldering smoke, which is how many kitchen fires originate, compared to ionization sensors. They are also not as sensitive to light smoke, so they likely won't sound off if you're cooking up a storm. This Kidde pick is also a carbon monoxide detector, which is beneficial because kitchen appliances like stoves and gas water heaters can leak harmful carbon monoxide gas into the air. This device is battery-powered and designed to last for 10 years. For fire, the alarm will sound off 3 long beeps, and you'll also see a flashing red LED light. If there is a carbon monoxide leak, you'll hear 4 quick beeps in succession. There is a test/hush button on the unit, allowing you to periodically check if the alarm is working or silence false alarms. Because it's battery-operated, you won't be able to interconnect it with other smoke detectors. Product details: power source, battery-powered, sensor type, photoelectric smoke detector, carbon monoxide, notification type, beep. At number 7. First Alert Hardwired Heat Alarm with Battery Backup. Many experts do not recommend installing smoke detectors in garages since they can sometimes be triggered by car exhaust fumes. An excellent alternative would be to install a heat alarm like the First Alert HD6135FB. This device detects heat rather than smoke, and only goes off if the temperature reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit or rises rapidly by more than 15 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 minute. You can also link it up with other First Alert alarms so that they can all send out an alarm throughout your home if one of them detects a problem. Since this device is hardwired, it comes with a battery backup. Keep in mind that this device only connects to specific First Alert smoke detectors, so you'll have to check the First Alert website to see which ones work together. A built-in microprocessor helps to reduce the number of nuisance alarms that can happen, and there is a button on the front to silence it if the heat alarm goes off by mistake. Like other standard smoke detectors, it has an 85 decibel sound output. You can buy this heat alarm by itself, or buy it together with a smoke detector or carbon monoxide detector. You can also buy the heat alarm with a filter that blocks high-frequency noise to prevent damage. Product details: power source, hardwired, sensor type, heat notification type, beep. At number 8. First Alert Hearing Impaired Smoke Detector. This First Alert device is the best option for those who are hard of hearing, or even for heavy sleepers, because it integrates a super bright LED strobe light with sound to alert you. It's a carbon monoxide detector, too, and comes with a sealed battery that can be used for up to 10 years without the need for replacement. The strobe light flashes differ for smoke, heat, and carbon monoxide, so you'll know what the problem is with one look. On top of that, it falls within the parameters of the Americans with Disabilities Act standards for accessible design, so it's safe to use in homes where someone is hearing impaired. It is a hardwired model and can be interconnected with other First Alert brand smoke alarms. It connects with up to 18 devices, including 12 compatible smoke alarms. While this is an excellent alternative to standard smoke detectors, we do wish the beeps mixed high and low-pitched sounds to help make the alarm easier to hear. Product details: power source, hardwired, sensor type, smoke and carbon dioxide, notification type, strobe light, beep.